a funny cinematic street market scene at a fruit shop where a mischievous young man jokingly asks a young shopkeeper girl for a banana and suddenly runs away. The clever girl quickly hands bananas to a group of nearby boys and later confidently tells the boy, "You asked for bananas?" The confused boy asks the price, and the girl says, $20 for one banana, making him completely shocked. To escape the awkward situation, the boy nervously says, "Pack all the bananas." As the girl turns around to pack them, the boy quietly sneaks away from the shop again. Humorous expressions, lively fruit market atmosphere, realistic Indian street setting, cinematic comedy vibe, natural reactions, playful storytelling, ultra-detailed, viral short video style.